Now, the West Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar has accused the Mamata government of unparalleled trampling of constitutional values. The governor has tweeted, and I quote, "Constrained by false narrative to put the record straight." On May 27th, Mamata messaged that she wanted to speak urgently. Thereafter, on the phone, indicated by her and officials of the Prime Minister's Cyclone Review meet that if Leader of Opposition Shubhendu attends it, ego prevailed over public services. That's what the governor has said. He said that May 28th, which was the day of the review meet, it will go down as a dark day in India's long-standing ethos of cooperative federalism. So the governor again indicating that the chief minister had told him that she will boycott the Prime Minister's review meet if Shubhendu Adhikari was present. Prema is joining us with more details on this. So Prema, according to the governor, Mamata Banerjee had planned to boycott the Prime Minister's review meet all along because of the presence of Shubhendu Adhikari.
The battle between the centre and state continues after the May 28th review meeting, and now the governor has put out this tweet where he says that a day before, or rather the evening before the review meeting, there was a message followed by a phone call by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to the governor, where she must have had a conversation about who is attending this meeting, because she did know who would be there. She had a hint because she was intimated about this meeting, and she indicated, that is what the governor says in his tweet, that if the Leader of Opposition Shubhendu Adhikari was part of this review meeting, that she and officials would boycott this meeting. Now, Akshita, in the wake of what has been happening with Chief Secretary, the former Chief Secretary Alupan Bandyopadhyay stepping down, resigning, and now being the Chief Advisor to the Chief Minister, choosing not to go to North Block in Delhi, where he's been recalled by the centre. It's now the battle taking a new turn, with the governor making this revelations that the Chief Minister had indicated that she would not be present in this meeting if Shubhendu Adhikari were part of it. Back to you, Akshita.
All right, Prema, thank you for joining us with all those details.